Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to see about the adjectives. What is the adjectives? A word which describes the noun. Most of French adjectives are placed after the noun they describe. First, we will see how to change the masculine adjective to form the feminine. Listen here. Grand. Grand is a masculine singular adjective. You know it well. Adjective is the describing word. Now we are going to see how to change masculine singular adjective to form the feminine. Most of adjectives add e to the masculine form to form the feminine. Listen here. Grand. It's a grand. It's a grand. Masculine singular adjective is a grand. Feminine singular adjective is a grand. The final consonant sound here in the feminine adjective but not in the masculine adjective. Listen here. You have to pronounce D for the feminine adjective, but you should not pronounce D for the masculine adjective. It's a grand. It's a grand. Okay. Now I will write some common adjectives. Français, mauvais, content, intelligent, petit. Okay, I have written here some adjectives in masculine singular. Now we are going to change this adjective to form the feminine. Listen here. Française, mauvaise, contente, intelligent, and petite. Okay. Grand, grande, français, française, mauvais, mauvaise, content, contente, intelligent, intelligent, petit, petite. Grand, which means big. Français, français, which means French. Mauvais, which means bad. Content, which means happy. Intelligent, which means intelligent. Petit, which means small. I will make some simple sentence with the masculine adjectives. Listen here. Il est français. Il est français, which means he is Frenchman. He is Frenchman. Now I will make some sentence with the feminine adjectives. Elle est française. Okay. Il est français. Il est français. He is a Frenchman. How to change this sentence to feminine form? Elle est française. She is French girl. Okay. And for example, il est content. Il est content. He is happy. He is happy. Elle est contente. She is happy. Okay. Listen here. Here, il is a masculine singular form. So we have to put français in singular form. Masculine singular form. Français is a masculine singular adjective. Elle. Elle is a feminine form. She. So you should put français in feminine form. Il est content. Same rule we have to follow for this sentence. Il is a masculine singular subject. So you should put content in singular form. Elle is a feminine singular form. So you have to write content with the e. Okay. Elle est content. Okay, students. Next, let me continue some more adjectives. Some adjectives sound the same in the masculine and feminine form if an adjective ends in a vowel or pronounced consonant. The feminine is formed by adding e. I have written here some masculine singular adjectives. Now we are going to change these adjectives to form the feminine. Listen here. Désolé. Désolé, which means sorry. We have to put one more e. Okay, it's a feminine adjective. Fatigué. and again you have to put one more e. Fatigué, which means tired. Gay, gay, which means happy or cheerful. Jolie, jolie, which means pretty. Dur, égal. Okay, listen here, students. Désolé, and here also the same pronunciation. Désolé, désolé, which means sorry. Fatigué, which means tired. Gay, which means happy or cheerful. Jolie, which means pretty. Dur, which means hard. Égal, égal, which means equal. Okay, okay, listen, students. If the adjectives ends in a mute e, the oral and written forms are the same for both masculine and feminine form. And listen here. Here it's a difficile. Difficile. Facile. Facile. Jeune. Jeune. Libre. Libre. Malade. Malade. Okay. We have to follow the same adjective, masculine and feminine form. Okay. And for example, listen here. Il est jeune. Elle est jeune. Okay. He is young and she is young. Okay. We have to use the same adjective, masculine and feminine form. Okay. Adjectives ending in x, change x to se to form the feminine. For example, listen here. Amoureux. Amoureux ends with x. We have to change x to se to form the feminine. Okay, listen here. Amoureux, amoureuse. Heureux, heureuse. Merveilleux, merveilleuse. Sérieux, sérieuse. Amoureux, which means in love. Heureux, which means happy. Merveilleux, which means marvelous. Sérieux, which means serious. Okay. And listen here. Adjectives ending in f, change f to be to form the feminine. For example, attentif. Okay. Attentif ends with f. You have to change f to be to form the feminine. For example, attentif, attentive. Actif, active. Neuf, nerve. Vif, vive. Attentive, which means attentive. Active, active. Neuf, new. Vif, alive. Okay. Okay, students. Then we continue some more adjectives. Most adjective form the plural by adding s to the singular form. For example, listen here. Grand. Grand is a masculine singular adjective. How to change masculine singular adjective to the plural form? You have to add s. Grand. Okay. And listen here. Here it's a grande. Grande is a feminine singular adjective. How to change grande to plural form? And you have to add s. Okay. And listen here, students. Grand is a masculine singular adjective. Grand with s, it's a masculine plural adjective. Grande with e, it's a feminine singular adjective. Grande with s, it's a feminine plural adjective. Grand, which means tall. And another one is a petit. Petit, petit, which means small. The masculine singular adjective with s, masculine plural, and with e, it's a feminine singular adjective, and s, feminine plural adjective. Now I will make some simple sentence with these adjectives. Listen here. Le garçon. Le garçon est grand. Le garçon est grand. The boy is tall. And petit. Listen here. La fille est petite. The girl is small. The boy is tall. The girl is small. And how to change this sentence to plural form? Listen here. Les garçons. Les garçons sont grands. Okay. And garçon. Garçon is the third person masculine plural. So we have to put masculine plural adjective. Grand is the masculine plural. The boys are tall. Les filles sont petites. The filles sont petites. The girls are small. Okay. Okay, students. Let me continue. One more adjective. Adjectives ending in s or x are the same in the masculine singular and the plural form. For example, fray. Fray which means fresh. Grow. Grow which means big. Error. Error which means happy. You have to use the same adjective to plural form. Listen here. Fray. Grow. Error. Okay. Adjectives ending in x or s are the same in the masculine singular and plural form. For example, un garçon est des garçons sont okay. A boy is happy. Some boys are happy. We have to use same adjective for singular form and plural form. And we will see one more example. Listen here. Fray. And free. Fray. Okay. A fresh fruit. A fresh fruit. They pray some fresh fruit. Okay, here listen here. Here we have used the same adjective in masculine singular form and masculine plural form. Okay, okay students, let me continue the grammar exercise from your French textbook. Take the page number 22, exercise number 8. Faites l'accord des adjectives. Agree with the adjectives. Listen here. Tom bicyclette est dash petite. They have given one adjective between the bracket. It's a petit. Petit which means small. You know it well. Adjective, it modifies the noun. Tom bicyclette. Bicyclette means bicycle. Bicycle is a feminine singular noun. So you should use feminine singular adjective. So you have to change masculine singular adjective to form the feminine. Petite. Okay, ta bicyclette est petite. Your bicycle is small. And the second one, mon ami est dash intelligent. Listen here, ami. Ami with e, it's a feminine singular form. So we have to change intelligent to the form feminine. How to change? We have to add one more e. Intelligent. Okay. Mon ami est intelligent. My friend is intelligent. Dans ma classe, il y a une dash beau fille. Beau. Beau which means beauty. It's a masculine singular adjective. What is the feminine singular adjective of beau? It's a belle. Okay. It's a beau, it's a masculine singular adjective. Belle, it's a feminine singular adjective. Okay, listen here. Dans ma classe, il y a une dash beau fille. In my class, there's a beautiful girl. Belle. Okay, because I have used here belle, fille. Fille is the feminine singular. Okay, and the first sentence is l'Inde est un dash grand pays. India is a big country. You know it well. Grand which means tall. Grand it modifies pays. Pays which means country. It's a masculine singular noun. Okay, so you have to write the same adjective. L'Inde est un grand pays. India is a big country. La fleur est frais dash. Okay, la fleur est frais. Okay, fleur. Fleur which means flower. Flower is fresh. Okay, frais, you know it well. Frais is a masculine singular adjective. We have to change frais to feminine singular because fleur is a feminine singular noun. What is the feminine singular adjective of frais? It's a fresh. La fleur est fraîche. Okay, listen here students. Ta bicyclette est petite. Your bicycle is small. Mon ami est intelligent. My friend is intelligent. Dans ma classe, il y a une belle fille. In my class, there's a beautiful girl. L'Inde est un grand pays. India is a big country. La fleur est fraîche. Flower is fresh. Okay, students. Let me continue. Next exercise. Take the page number 22. Exercise number 9. Faites l'accord des adjectives. Agree to the adjectives. Mes camarades sont dash sympathiques. First sentence is mes camarades sont dash sympathiques. Camarades, which means friends. Okay. My friends are dash sympathique. Sympathique, which means sympathetic, nice. Okay. Camarade is a masculine plural form. So you have to change sympathique to the plural form. You have to put yes with the end. Okay. Mes camarades sont sympathiques. My friends are nice. And second sentence, mes chats sont dash gentils. Gentil means gentle or nice. Chat, which means cat. Gentil. Okay, listen here. Cats is a masculine plural form. So you have to change gentil to plural form. You have to add one more s. Mes chats sont gentils. My cats are nice. Third sentence. Les quartiers de Chennai sont dash brillants. Chennai, you know usually les quartiers. Quartier, which means neighborhood or district area. Okay. The Chennai neighborhoods are noisy. Okay, brilliant, which means noisy, it's an adjective. Listen here. It modifies quartier. Quartier is a masculine plural form. So I have written yes with n. Les quartiers de Chennai sont brillants. Chennai neighborhoods are noisy. Mes sœurs sont dash grands. Sœur, which means sisters. Grand, tall. My sisters are tall. Mes sœurs, it's a feminine plural. So you have to put es. Mes sœurs sont grandes. My sisters are tall. Ce sont des romans dash intéressants. Last sentence is ce sont des romans dash intéressants. These are interesting novels. These are interesting novels. Intéressant. Intéressant is adjective. It modifies roman. Roman is a masculine plural form. So you have to change intéressant to plural form. Add s with n. Ce sont des romans intéressants. Okay, listen students. Mes camarades sont sympathiques. My friends are nice. Mes chats sont gentils. My cats are nice. Les quartiers de Chennai sont brillants. Chennai neighborhoods are noisy. Mes sœurs sont grandes. My sisters are tall. Ce sont des romans intéressants. These are interesting novels. Okay, students. Today's class we have completed adjectives and we have seen 2 exercises from your French textbook. We will meet next class.